In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install QuickBooks Desktop. We're going to use your browser's built-in Install Page as App feature to create a clean, app-like window for QuickBooks on your computer. This gives you a dedicated icon and a distraction-free experience, which is great for quick access and staying focused. Before we start, make sure you're on the QuickBooks page you want to use and keep that tab active. First, look to the very top right corner of your browser window. You'll see the main menu icon, usually 3 dots or 3 lines, depending on your browser. Click that to open the menu. If you have multiple windows open, double check you're clicking the menu in the window with your QuickBooks page so the browser knows which page to install. From that menu, move your mouse to the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Don't click yet, just hover. This will open a small submenu with more options. Menu names can vary a bit across browser versions, but if you see anything like Save and Share, that's what you want. The key is to reveal the option that lets you turn the current page into an app. Now click. Install Page as App. Your browser will gather the page details and show a small dialog or pop-up. Think of this as packaging the current page into a standalone window that opens without the usual browser tabs and toolbars. It also gives you a separate icon, so you can find it more easily later. When you see the naming prompt, clear the default text and rename it to QuickBooks. Keeping the name simple and recognizable helps when you search your apps or scan your Start menu or Applications folder. If you prefer a more specific label, you can always rename it again later, but QuickBooks is a solid, easy-to-spot choice. Finally, click Install. In a moment, a new window will open with QuickBooks in a tidy, app-like view. Behind the scenes, your browser also adds a launcher entry on Windows that typically appears in the Start menu, and on Mac OS, you'll find it in your Applications area. Depending on your settings, you may also see a desktop shortcut or a dock taskbar suggestion the next time you open it. That's it. You now have a convenient, dedicated QuickBooks window you can launch like any other app without extra browser clutter. If you ever need to manage or remove it, your browser includes an app management area where you can adjust those settings. Thanks for watching and enjoy quicker, cleaner access to QuickBooks right from your desktop.